Delinking, as you said, of terrorism from the composite dialogue, I think this is a very significant forward movement for the simple reason linkage had been created since November 26 last year, the attack in Mumbai. If it is delinked, it means that there is a recognition of two things. One, that the threat may be common to Pakistan and India. Secondly, I think the operations that we are now conducting in Swat and to some extent in Fatah, the sea change in the attitude and the situation on the ground, I think that has persuaded first and foremost the international community headed by the United States, and secondly, and perhaps as a result, as a fallout, the Indian government that yes, Pakistan is getting serious about tackling this issue, and therefore there is hope for cooperation in other respects.
But PM Manmohan Singh's statement that there cannot be any composite dialogue till those behind Mumbai attacks are brought to justice has worried many in Pakistan. But largely the mood is one of hope.
What is new is this willingness to talk about a composite dialogue, this willingness to talk about resolving all outstanding issues, and we haven't seen that in a long time. I mean, I don't think we should expect any dramatic developments or resolutions, but to the extent that we are at least finding our way back.
And then there are those who believe that any talks with India are futile till Kashmir is resolved.
There will be some criticism. The Hawks will insist, as they always do, that without a resolution of the Kashmir issue and a resolution according to a large body of critics, the UN resolutions, meaning a plebiscite and so on and so forth, and those who are relatively now pragmatic, at least some internal political solution of Indian-held Kashmir. Without that, there is no prospect of progress on any other front, and this is a failure foretold.
Political dialogue between India and Pakistan is as unpredictable as a cricket match. But this time round, the outcome of the Sharm el-Sheikh meeting has pleased everyone in Pakistan except the Hawks, who believe that long-standing disputes like Kashmir must be resolved before progress can be made in other areas. Muniza Jahangir in Lahore for NDTV.
Tuba.com